Welcome to Hollywood. In this video, we are going to take a heartfelt look back at the iconic cast of The Thorn, the unforgettable television miniseries that first captivated audiences in 1983. 1. Richard Chamberlain. We begin with the star of the series, Richard Chamberlain, who portrayed the conflicted and passionate father Ralph de Bricassart. His performance was both haunting and tender, a portrayal that earned him a Golden Globe Award. Chamberlain became one of the most beloved actors of the 20th century, known for roles in Dr. Kildare, Shogun, and The Count of Monte Cristo. After a long and influential career spanning decades, Richard quietly passed away at the age of 92, surrounded by loved ones. His charisma and screen presence remain unmatched. 2. Barbara Stanwyck. Legendary actress Barbara Stanwyck played the formidable Mary Carson, a wealthy matriarch with a sharp tongue and an even sharper sense of power. Her role added layers of drama and tension that propelled the storyline forward. A screen icon since the 1930s, Stanwyck had already won countless accolades, including an honorary Academy Award. She passed away in 1990 due to heart failure. Her immense contribution to the golden age of Hollywood and to the Thorn Birds remains a vital part of film and television history. 3. Jean Simmons. In the role of Fiona Cleary, Jean Simmons brought a stern yet loving presence to the family matriarch. Her portrayal resonated with viewers due to its quiet strength and complexity. Jean Simmons was a two-time Oscar nominee and one of Britain's most treasured exports to Hollywood. She starred in classics like Spartacus and Guys and Dolls. Simmons passed away peacefully at the age of 80, leaving behind a remarkable legacy of film and television roles. 4. Christopher Plummer. Christopher Plummer brought gravitas and elegance to the role of Archbishop Vittorio Contini Verces, a key figure in Father Ralph's ecclesiastical journey. His scenes offered a powerful counterbalance to the emotional drama of the Cleary family. Known for The Sound of Music, Beginners, and All the Money in the World, Plummer was the oldest actor to win an Academy Award. His death at age 91 marked the end of an era, and his artistry continues to influence generations. 5. Richard Kiley. As the hard-working father Padraic Cleary, Richard Kiley portrayed the rough, resilient Irish immigrant with subtlety and compassion. His dynamic with Jean Simmons added a layer of realism and familial complexity. Kiley was a Tony Award-winning Broadway actor, most famously known as the original Don Quixote in Man of La Mancha. He passed away in 1999 from bone marrow disease, leaving behind a trail of powerful performances across stage and screen. 6. Piper Laurie. Piper Laurie, who portrayed the sophisticated and kindly Anne Muller, was a shining star whose career spanned over 6 decades. She provided warmth and support to Maggie's character, becoming a fan favorite. Laurie was also known for her roles in Carrie, Twin Peaks, and The Hustler. Her distinctive presence and emotionally rich performances earned her numerous accolades. Piper passed away peacefully in 2023, and her legacy continues to inspire actors and storytellers worldwide. 7. Earl Holliman. Earl Holliman portrayed Luddy Muller, Anne's kind-hearted husband and an ally to the Cleary family. With his grounded performance, he brought compassion and stability to a world often marred by emotional storms. Known for The Rainmaker and Police Woman, Earl was one of the great unsung heroes of classic Hollywood. His passing at age 95 was a solemn moment for fans who cherished his understated brilliance. The Thorn Birds remains one of the most cherished miniseries of all time. Its sweeping storylines, unforgettable characters, and breathtaking performances have transcended generations. While many of the stars who brought this tale to life have passed on, their legacies endure through their work. These actors left an indelible mark not just on film and television, but on all of us who experienced their artistry. Their lives may have ended, but their brilliance continues to shine. Which actor from the Thorn Birds do you remember most fondly? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to keep these legendary performers alive in the hearts of fans around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Hollywood.